Today, I'll be providing a brief explanation for each stock pick, and we'll execute these two stock trades using the ThinkOrSwim platform. Let's just jump right into it. So my first stock pick is Airbnb. Airbnb operates a platform for stays and experiences to guests worldwide. Airbnb is an alternative to the traditional hotel stay while traveling for work or pleasure. Anyone can put their home, room, condo up on the Airbnb platform for a price and host willing guests. Why Airbnb? In doing research on stocks, I was really drawn to the hospitality industry because there's some hope on the horizon that the worst part of the pandemic is behind us, and there's an appetite for consumers to start traveling again. More recently, countries and states in the US have begun to reduce pandemic-related travel restrictions and measures. This likely will mean that more people will begin to travel and need a place to stay. As a result, Airbnb is likely to see a significant increase in revenue in 2022. In using the ThinkOrSwim Analyze feature, I found that the CFRA is recommending Airbnb as a buy stock. In reviewing the CFRA's stock report, they expect that Airbnb can grow net bookings at an annual pace of about 20 to 25% over the next 3 years. Prior to the pandemic, Airbnb was seeing at about a 30% growth year over year. The CFRA has set a 12-month target stock price for Airbnb of about $215. Currently, they're trading at about $166. It's important to note that the stock price is down approximately 24% from its 52-week high. This bodes well that there's room for growth in the stock and that I'll be not buying the stock at a peak. Next stock pick is Crocs Incorporated. Yes, my stock pick is for the foam clogs company. Recently, I got a pair of Crocs just as an easy slip on and off pair of shoes that I could use while doing work outside. My wife works for Valley Children's Hospital, and she tells me that Crocs have been all the rage with all of her teenage patients. That drove me to investigate a little bit more into Crocs Incorporated as a potential investment. So why Crocs? In an article from the Washington Post in June 2021 titled, "Love Them or Hate Them, Crocs Are Back," sales have gone through the roof during the pandemic. This has been driven by marketing through partnerships with celebrities and influencers on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Crocs is now the 8th most popular brand among US teenagers. In doing more research, the CFRA recommends Crocs as a strong buy. In reviewing the stock report, the strong buy recommendation is driven by brand momentum. They predict revenues to increase by 50% in 2022. Consumer tastes and preferences are for more casual footwear, especially as people continue to work from home. The CFRA has set a 12-month stock price target for Crocs at $210. The stock is currently trading around $98. It's also important to note that the stock is down about 46% from its 52-week high. So let's execute these trades for the stocks. Opening up the ThinkOrSwim platform here, the first trade I'm going to make is for Airbnb stock. So I'm going to search for Airbnb under the Trade tab in the ThinkOrSwim software. I'm going to take a look at the underlying information here and look for the ask price. The ask price right now for Airbnb is $168.92. I'm going to double click on the ask, which pre-populates the order entry tool at the bottom here. And I'm going to review the order entry and see if this is exactly what I'd like to do. So confirming yes, I'm trying to buy a stock. I'm going to change the quantity to 50 shares instead of 100. The stock ticker symbol is ABNB. That's correct. Because we are in an open market right now, I'm just going to change my order type to market to get the best available price. It's about 8:30 a.m. on Monday, February 14th, and so the stocks are trading currently. Next, I'm going to confirm and send. Just confirming my information. Yep, this is a buy for 50 shares of Airbnb at market price, and I'm going to send that order. And currently, you can see it's summarized here below. The position is set up for 50 shares. Next, I'm going to purchase Crocs stock. So I'm typing in CROX as the stock ticker. The ask price is $99.72. Again, it pre-populates the order form entry at the bottom when I double click on the ask price. This I'm going to trade 50 shares for, confirming that yes, it's Crocs, it's a stock. And again, because the markets are open, I'd like to get the best price available currently. And so I'm changing it to a market order. I'm going to review my buy. So I'm buying 50 shares of Crocs at market. Total cost of $4,900. And I'm going to send that. And that's it. Thank you for joining me. I look forward to doing another video in a few weeks. Appreciate it.